Well, I just really believe in CLE because I've always taught my students that there's two core functions that lawyers, you know, do. There's two core characteristics. And one is that lawyers are problem solvers. That's our major work, is to solve problems. But the other one is that lawyers are learners. You cannot stop learning once you're a lawyer. You're learning constantly. So I really believe in continuing legal education as a way of doing that lawyers as learners. But what I like about the health law programs is that you really have to have attorneys experience the healthcare context to be very effective. So for example, one of the programs we did, this was during Doreen Dotson's presidency, is we took leaders from the bar associations around the state, and in order to educate them about healthcare decision making, we had them go on clinical rounds with physicians all around the city of St. Louis. And when they came back from those, they wanted to talk about those. That experience taught them more than if we had just stood up at the front of the room and told them about it. So I do like thinking through, how are lawyers really going to learn something that's useful? And I like nothing better than seeing a fantastic CLE teacher. And you know it when you've got it. You know, somebody who can, a lawyer who's experienced, who can stand up and communicate not only information, because you can get that by reading, but some insight into the practice. So I am very committed to CLE, yes. I enjoy doing it, and I like thinking through how people can learn best.